crunchy and delicious. Litti, a very famous recipe of Bihar. I hope you would love this recipe. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. 2.5 cup wheat flour, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter cup ghee or butter. Mix well. This indicates that ghee is properly mixed. Slowly add water to make soft medium dough. Cover and leave for 20 minutes. 1.5 cup Sattu flour made from roasted gram flour. 1 big finely chopped onion. 1 inch grated ginger. 3 pods chopped garlic. 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. 1 teaspoon crushed carom seeds. A half teaspoon cologne. 1 teaspoon black pepper. A half teaspoon cumin seeds. 2 to 3 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add some chilies pickles. Salt to taste. A half squeezed lemon juice. A tablespoon mustard oil. Mix well. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons water for moisture. Add a half squeezed lemon again to increase taste. Mix well. After 20 minutes, take a small dough. Make flat round shape. Take one and dust with flour. Make like cup shape. Fill the mixture. Preheat air fryer. Place litti. Set at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. After each 5 minutes, check and flip it. In 15 minutes, it will be ready. ghee in a bowl. Slightly press litti and dip in the ghee. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.